Hey guys, this is Anis. Welcome back to another video, and today in this video I'm going to show you an interesting app that can work as a security guard of your phone. So before I start, make sure subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So jump to the video. So activating security guard for your phone, first of all you have to download apps. It's called it WTMP or Who Touch My Phone. Its rating is 4.8 and it has 5 million download. So just install, just accept their policy. It need time, it depends on your internet speed and phone. So it installing. After installing, just open. As you can see here, some tutorials, some tips, app activations, then next, so it's showing some tips, then finish. As you can see, here's the emoji and here's no report here, and it's showing sleeping icon. Here's the power icon, and before pressing power icon I'm going to settings. Then here you need to change some settings, turn on this, then you can know which apps are launched. Then also on this, if you on, then okay, device admins, then someone try to fail, then it also recorded. Here's the how many attempt record. I select 3 times. If someone try to 3 times fail, then it record, and that's it. Then back and just turn on. As you can see, it's wake up and just back, and I locked my phones and just try to open, and I failed to 3 times. Okay, I open. Then I can check. As you can see, stay home. As you can see, some report. As you can see how many times I try to open my phones. So here the 3 times, and also here I device unlocked, and also showing a picture who try to. So if I launch any phone here, then it also recorded record. Okay, as you can see, it will record here after lock again. Okay, as you can see, 6 apps I open. So that's it. I will put this download link on descriptions. So guys, if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel, comment your suggestions. See you next.